Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter. T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
In biochemistry, there are four main types of organic compounds. The first is carbohydrates, which is used for short-term energy. The second is lipids, which is used for long-term energy storage. The third is proteins, which is used for amino acids. And the fourth is nucleic acid, which is used in genetic information. Basically, glucose, lactose, and fructose, they all are C6H12O6, but the thing that makes them different is how they're arranged. Okay, so I'm here with Kevin at our local generic, definitely not Subway sandwich shop for lunch. So while we're here, might as well take the time to talk to you about carbohydrates and lipids. Because, it's food. Carbohydrates is, used more for short-term energy. So say you're going to go, run something after lunch, which a lot of people do, that's what you would use.
Lipids, they're mainly used for long-term energy, such as this fine, not Subway brand sandwich. Well, lipids are used for insulation, not house insulation, but body.
Walks further down the street with the brim pulled way down low. Ain't no sound but the sound of his feet. Machine guns ready to go. Are you ready? Hey, are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of your seat? Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat.
Okay, Bill Nye here, and so today, with carbohydrates, there are three main types: monosaccharides, which is just one sugar; disaccharides, which is two sugars; and polysaccharides, which is multiple sugars. So, monosaccharides are basically the simplest form you can get in the sugar, as like glucose and stuff like that. Disaccharides is two of the sugars put together like table sugar, and polysaccharides is multiple sugars put together like starch, glycogen, and cellulose.
Hey, Bill Nye here. I'm going to be talking about something really special and important about, cells. And that would be nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are found in the nucleus, of course. But, nucleic acids are basically big strands of nucleotides. Nucleotides are formed by a specific nitrogen base, 5-carbon sugar, and a phosphate group. All of these join together by hydrogen bonds into big strands, nucleic acids, and they form together, connecting in groups of two in double helixes, which is a spiral formation.
Bill Nye the Science Guy here. And what you gotta know is there are many different kinds of proteins, including transport proteins, structural proteins, storage proteins, hormonal proteins, and enzymes and antibodies. Proteins are made of amino acids, which are organic molecules that are made of a central carbon atom around which 4 groups are arranged: an amino group, a carboxyl group, a hydrogen atom, and a variable side chain. Side chains vary greatly and are an important reason as to why proteins can perform so many functions. It is important to remember that long chains of amino acids start to fold into unique three-dimensional shapes before they are completely synthesized. The resulting shape is determined by interactions among the amino acids. Possible shapes include helices and pleated sheets, which look like accordions. The overall shape of many proteins is globular.
Okay, today I am with the student named Jerry, and he's going to describe us metabolism. And what are your thoughts on that, Jerry?
What is metabolism? Metabolism is the chemical processes that occur in the human body. Metabolism is broken down into 2 categories: anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism uses energy in small building blocks to synthesize the molecules to get energy for molecules in everyday life.
Hi, Bill Nye here, and today I'm going to be explaining to you nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are polymers used within the cell's nucleus to create proteins. Nucleic acids are made of nucleotides. Nucleotides consist of a nitrogen-containing base, a 5-carbon sugar, and a phosphate group. These phosphate groups are connected by hydrogen bonds to the sugars of other nucleotides to form strands of nucleic acid. Nucleic acids, more commonly known as DNA and RNA, are either single-stranded or double-stranded. DNA consists of a sequence in any random order, but always as G, A, T, C. With DNA, G always connects to C, and A always connects to T. The letters represent the nitrogen bases, which are connecting by more hydrogen bonds within the center. Whenever we come to RNA, it's special though. RNA is only found and used whenever the nucleus is copying a strand of DNA for further use or reuse. What makes RNA special, besides being single-stranded and used for copying, is that instead of T, RNA has U. U is copy A, and that's what it is. And I'm gonna go.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.